Hello, my name is Justin Haney. I'm going to take you through the timeline of my teaching career. Coming out of high school, I didn't really know what I wanted to do with my life. I had a football scholarship to Sterling College, so I went there undecided and quickly found out that um, education was kind of my calling. They had a really good uh, education program called the STEP program, and it sucked me right in and went through the program, finished up in 2009 as I was finishing my football career there. Uh, as I finished up my student teaching, I was looking for jobs around the Hayes area as my fiance was finishing up her nursing program the following year. So I was kind of stuck around that area. There was no PE jobs available, so I started substitute teaching. Realized I really didn't like substitute teaching. So there was a children's psych hospital that was just opening up, and I took a position there as a supervisor. Was there for 3 years and realized that probably wasn't what I wanted to do for the rest of my life. And one of my good buddies was down in Dodge City, and they were just opening up their second middle school. So he talked me into applying for a position down there. I got it. And I soon became the head football coach, head wrestling coach, and head track coach and department head there in my first year of teaching. I was there for only 2 years. We decided to make the move back to Hayes. A position opened up. I applied for it and got it, and kind of fell into the same roles of head football, head wrestling, head track, um, and driver's ed teacher. I took a year to complete the program through Emporia State and got my driver's ed endorsement, which I really do like teaching driver's ed. It's kind of a nice little summer gig. Um, in 2021, after COVID and everything, I felt it was kind of the time to jump into my master's. I was at my bachelor's plus 36, so I was maxed out on the horizontal movement. So it was time to jump right in. I did 9 hours the first summer and then 6 hours each semester after that. And I took the intercession class of 3 hours and 9 hours the second summer and right into my e-portfolio session here in 2022. Started taking hours in the spring when my administration I talked to and just seeing if I could get any extra hours of admin experience. And my administration has been great helping me get hours. I'll complete my e-portfolio this fall. I'm right on track with all that, and hopefully that continues right through. Um, Leaving the classroom, I really have no immediate plans. I think probably in the next 5 to 10 years, I could see myself um, wanting to take an administration role. I really do like the community of Hayes. I don't have plans on leaving Hayes, but I'm kind of a point in my life where I kind of open to it. But I don't know. I'll see where the road may take me. Kind of with that, I haven't really ever thought about retirement too much. I'm only 35, so it's definitely down the road. And um, after retirement, you have not a whole lot of life left to live. I don't want to retire uh, too old where I can't go out and enjoy myself, or I'm not physically able to. So I definitely don't want to retire too old, but at the same time, financially in our world, you got to make sure all the dots and everything line up for that too. So that's a little bit on my future career and hopefully where I'm going. Thank you for enjoying hopefully my video here.